Title on the thumbnail. Be back again with another video, man. Today, I just want to touch on the factory quick shifter dog. This joint is mint. I love it. I didn't know when I first got it. I didn't realize it was down too. Like it auto blips down. So all you got to do is just shift down. Like when you kind of downshift, you don't need to pull the clutch. You really just hit the shifter down. Which is pretty dope. So yeah, that's what today's video is gonna be on. The up and down or bi-directional quick shifter, whatever you want to call it, however you want to say it. This got it. It's got it. But not all bikes have it down too. Not all bikes have a, I don't know if you want to call it an auto blipper, quick shift down, quick shifter. I don't know, but this one has it down. It's from the factory like that, from my understanding. So yeah, let's dive into it. Ooh, let's get it by recording. Yeah. I have to turn it on. You can see, I forget where it's at. And there you guys have it, man. That's essentially all there is about that quick shifter, man. And I'll show you where you can turn it on and off. Like, got the bike on with the wheel. So it's gonna be in the settings. You just use the wheel over here to scroll down. The settings, boom. It's vehicle setting. Let me get a little closer, you guys see that. And it's the QS setting, the quick shifter. I don't know, I just turn the quick shifter down off because I like rev matching myself, but I leave the one up on, if that makes sense. That's how you turn it on and off. Yeah, guys, I mean, it's really fun to have. It is nice to have. Dude, I mean, I haven't had a bike like that. Like my Duke 390 didn't have a quick shifter up or down. My Gixxer 600, which I still have, doesn't have the quick shifter at all. So it's just a cool feature to have, man. You got like I was saying, why would you want the downshift for you? You could turn it off. It's not something that's embedded, hard coded to where you can't turn it off. You can turn it off. It's not a big deal. But that's it for today's video, guys. Just kind of wanted to showcase the quick shifter up and down. That is from factory, to the best of my knowledge. It's not aftermarket. It's very smooth. I haven't had any issues. The only thing is when you are shifting from first to second, and I don't know, you're trying to shift at like 1500 RPMs, I don't think it will let you. I think you have to be above a certain RPM limit. I think it has to be at least like 2500, but I mean, that's the only thing I noticed. So, and that's it for today's video, guys. I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we are out.